Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to check the second question of the progression test style questions of stage 7. This one is about the highest common factor and it's very straightforward. Find the highest common factor of 48 and 80. In the description, I leave you a video where I explain two methods to find the highest common factor. At this moment, I'm going to use the second method that I explained there, which is just writing the numbers side to side, 48 and 80, and draw a vertical line. Now we are going to start to decompose the numbers in the prime factors. So the smallest prime number is 2. So we are going to check if we can divide by 2. They are both even numbers, so yes, we can divide by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 80 divided by 2 is 40. We can divide by 2 again. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 40 divided by 2 is 20. We could keep dividing by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Once again, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then, since 3 and 5 are both prime numbers, we cannot divide by anything in common. So the process is over. Now, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. That means the highest common factor between 48 and 80 is 16. And that's what you need to do in order to get the mark. Okay guys, that was everything for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me, and drop any question you have in the comment box. Or if you have a topic that you want me to explain, you can leave it there too. Bye bye guys, see you next time.